Bitcoin hard forks mean tax complications. IRS offers little help. With 3 hard forks in less than 12 months a real possibility. Many Bitcoiners are wondering about their implications. Often left out of the debate are tax consequences. The Internal Revenue Service, IRS, HASN number 8217, offered much clarity since its announcements in 2014. And even those were of little help. IRS may consider Bitcoin Cash fork taxable income this year unwanted and free. Ban number 8217. Alt tax it, seemingly having more to do with deductions in tax reporting. Involved an elementary school principal and number 8217. Reception of unsolicited textbooks. He donated them to the school in number 8217. Lee, Airy, and then claimed charitable deduction. The court held even unwanted gifts of value are still income and must be included as part of calculating its gross. Haverly was cited recently by contributor Tyson Cross as a tax precedent regarding forks. Another issue is determining fair market value for the asset. Mr. Cross makes the point, and number 8220. Bitcoin Cash had been trading on futures markets for weeks prior to its hard fork in August. And number 8221. Exchanges and markets are for price discovery, for figuring an asset, and number 8217. Value. There in number 8217. Not a central price authority. Still, and number 8220. There is no way to tell whether the IRS will accept the use of futures markets to establish fair market value, or what taxpayers should do if there is no futures market at all. And number 8221. He continues, prices, of course, fluctuate, and notoriously so for cryptocurrencies. The issue of when to start or stop a valuation determination scheme can get tricky. Is the event triggered by having access to the forked coin in a wallet? What if a user in number 8217 wallet service DOESN in number 8217 provide for the newly created coin? What if a taxpayer and number 8217 coins are kept on an exchange unwilling to acknowledge the fork? And number 8220. Under the doctrine of constructive receipt, an item of income becomes taxable as soon as it is credited to the taxpayer and number 8217 account or otherwise made available to the taxpayer so that he or she can claim it at any time. And number 8221. Mr. Cross explains, all that matters to the IRS is that taxpayers in number 8220 claim it. And number 8221. Ambiguity leads to less compliance. Even the Treasury Department is asking for more definitive guidelines issued by the IRS. A press release scolds. And number 8220. None of the IRS operating divisions have developed any type of compliance initiatives or guidelines for conducting examinations or investigations specific to tax non-compliance related to virtual currencies. And number 8221. Indeed, during its legal fight with popular Bitcoin exchange, Coinbase, an IRS agent and number 8217 affidavit spoke to the small number of taxpayers trying to comply. Agent David Utzke declares how in number 8220. The IRS searched in number 8221 filings for 3 years of Form 8949, used to report capital gains, and results show in number 8220. 2013. 807 individuals reported a transaction on Form 8949 using a property description likely related to Bitcoin, and number 8221. Similar numbers of compliance followed the next 2 years. He lists, with an actual drop in filings the final year. as in number 8220. 802 individuals in number 8221 bothered to report at all. Whatever the case, one-for-one forks, spin-offs, or splits are made unnecessarily complicated by government ambiguity. And number 8220. One thing the IRS has made clear about cryptocurrencies: it considers Bitcoin to be property, not a currency. In some ways, this is a feature, not a bug. And number 8212. 60% of profits count as long-term capital gains and 40% as short-term, queuing up possible savings. And number 8221. Fisher Investments stresses, with more people drawn to Bitcoin on price surges alone. It and number 8217. Equally important, they seek out professional tax advice.